Does advertising, marketing and branding interest you? Well then, this is not a show you'd want to miss. Welcome to All About Ads Prime. First, some ad news on WhatsApp. Who in Delhi does not like the Delhi Metro? It's the most wonderful given to us Delhiites. But why are we talking about the Delhi Metro on the show? Well, they've just introduced a train wrapped completely in ads. With ads, in ads, with ads. Have a look.
Shortly after the Delhi Transport Corporation's decision to cover Delhi's GPS-enabled buses with ads to generate an alternate stream of revenues, the Delhi Metro has introduced a train wrapped completely with ads. Aimed to augment its non-operational revenues, the DMRC is expected to introduce 15 more such trains. Advertisements adorning the exteriors of the trains will be in the form of pictures, holographic images, visual displays, among others. Interestingly, the DMRC, currently operating a fleet of over 200 trains, already has interiors that have already been made available for the purpose of advertising besides station premises.
Founder of the Alibaba Group, Jack Ma, was in India recently as part of the India-China Business Cooperation.